Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Tranches. In today's analysis, we will take a look at this big breakout from this long-term down channel. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my recent trade setup that I shared with my members at the Patreon on 25th of July. And this was the harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move that Tranches formed with US dollar pair on only 2-hour time frame chart. And this was, by the way, idea that I shared on 25th of July. And you can see our buying zone was from 34 cents and goes to approximately 32 cents. 31.4 cents, and our sell targets were from 39.2 cents and goes to 44.1 cents. Now I've played this chart and you can see that the price line rallied very well up to 46.4 cents, and that was, by the way, more than 43% on this only 2-hour time frame chart. You can see here this was a 2-hour time frame, and right now you can see that Tranches on the weekly time frame is breaking out a very big down channel. It was entered the channel here back in October 2021, and right now we are breaking it out. And if I take you to the daily time frame, then you can see that we have broken out on the daily time frame, and soon we can also have the closing above this resistance of the channel on the weekly time frame chart as well. The next resistance that we have here that can be a big trouble for Tranches, that is at 46 cents, and you can see for the past several weeks, while moving inside this triangle and even after breaking out this triangle, is breaking as a very strong resistance. Now if we take I take you again to the daily time frame chart, then you can see that here we have a rejection, here we had another rejection, and here we had several rejections on this daily time frame chart. And when we went out from this resistance, then we had another the resistance of the channel, then we had another rejection by this resistance of 46 cents, and now we are again making another attempt, but this time on the daily time frame you can see that we have two candlesticks have been already closed above this resistance of the channel. Therefore, in my point of view, there is a high probability that if it will be once more rejected by this resistance, then after testing this previous channel resistance as a support, it can move up and it can break out this next key resistance of 46 cents. And after that, our next major resistance will be here at 71 cents, and you can see previously here for this for several weeks it had been breaking as a support. The next major resistance after 71 cents on this weekly time frame will be at $1.25. And you can see here we had a rejection by this resistance, and here for several weeks price line was not able to break out this resistance. And then we will have another resistance at $1.75. That is also another very strong resistance, and you can see for the for several weeks it had been breaking as a support from November 2021 to January 2022. And then our final target will be here, approximately here at the top of the channel, that is at $5.90, or very close to $6. Possibly it will hit the $6 as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.